so. Yeah, baby, this is when in Memphis. And Betty Lou in Maine. I got a cute little girl in Knoxville. But man, I forgot her name, but not her figure. I remember that. Cause I'm a kid still and I'm wearing deal and I'm a truck driver, son of a gun. Oh yeah, here we go now. Well, I've been everywhere, baby. I've seen everything in the United States of America. I've seen all the national monuments